Well, good very late evening, people. On the way to the cabin tonight, and I'm using a headlamp. I don't know how well this is going to show up. I'm just trying it myself here for the very first time. So I'm going to try. Oh gosh, I know I'm shaking the camera everywhere, and it's probably way out of focus. Got to cross this little creek here. There's my foothold. Going down. Okay, here we go. A little wade across. I know I'm taking the light out of camera range, but doing my normal sweep. It's cold. Man, I got a cold tonight. I hope this isn't out of focus. Now I'm looking through the viewfinder. It looks like a tiny little pen lamp, but I can really see a whole bunch. Gotta go around this big tree here. Okay, we're back at the cabin. Solar panels held up good. Wish we didn't have any wind. It's kind of funny. Those, I think they're like garden lights or something. There's some over there too that are still on. And then way out. Put those there in the spring, kind of like as a joke last year. And they're still going. Anyway, we made it to the cabin. Let's go inside. And there we go. A little bit of fire going on. Look at that steam coming out. That's not smoke, that's steam. Hear it sizzling? Yeah, kind of wet. Kind of damp. You might even be able to see moisture on the glass. Good, maybe it'll clean it off. Well, that's what we're doing tonight. Ain't warmed up enough yet to spin the fan. Well, oh, we tried. Will you go? No, not yet. Won't be long though. Still cold. Just got it burning. Well, let's just see what we can do tonight. Well, got the fire going pretty good. Fan's going. And you can see a couple cans up there. This is what those cans are. Overstuffed Italian sausage ravioli. That's right. We're gonna cook them up. It'll be a while. We're starting to build some heat there. Got a ways to go, but that will be enough to keep the belly happy tonight, I guess. So that's what's going on there. We also got mash. I love mash. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I like it. It's comforting. And we're all on solar power. After that beautiful sunny day that we had, we're gonna wash some mash. We're gonna enjoy the heat of the wood burner. We're gonna enjoy that when the time comes. It'll probably be a while, but yeah, that's that. It would appear that the stuff is done. Well, they're both bubbling a little bit. This one especially. Yeah. Well, I guess it's time now. Well, I got everything off the stove, but everything is still crazy hot. And the glue on the side of the cans still kind of sucks. So I'm gonna let them just like cool down a little bit. I got these deep dish pans. It's not a pan, it's a paper plate. But it's kind of like a pan because it's like a really deep dish. That's gonna be awesome for pouring all this in there. And it's cool because I can burn it when I'm done. A little fork, a couple pieces of white bread, and for dessert, we're having that. It's from Mountain House. Savor the adventure, I guess. Anyway, it's a freeze-dried ice cream sandwich. That'll be the dessert. Okay. Not so good. 15 milligrams of cholesterol. Doc's like, hey, don't do cholesterol stuff. And I'm like, you know what? Shut up, doctor. You don't know nothing. I'll show you how us country folk do it. The doctor will probably be right. And the doctor's put me on medicine. Anyway, this stuff's going to be good, but it's got to cool first. Well, I guess that's just about it for tonight, folks. I'm going to enjoy the crap out of this. It's kind of cool. I can see through the viewfinder that there's steam coming off of it. That's good. A little bit of cooking on the Cubic Mini tonight. Wasn't really cooking, it was just like reheating. There's sawdust over there because of stuff. Construction stuff going on. That is going to be good. I did splatter a little bit, but nothing compared to what's going to happen tomorrow morning after I process this through my guts. Alright folks, hey, thanks for watching. And as always, have a good one.